Innovation and inventions are two things that drive the world forward. Every year, there are new and exciting inventions that make us think what's next. In this video, we will look at 8 of the most surprising inventions of the year. Let's get started. Number 1. Apptronik Astra. Astra is an upper-body humanoid robot designed to operate with and around humans. It is a general-purpose robot that leverages ML technology to find, grab, and pick up objects. It has state-of-the-art actuation packed into a small form, enabling it to be placed on any mobility platform. Astra is force-controlled with series elastic torque-controlled actuators, giving it the compliance necessary to work in dynamic environments, especially with humans. It can perform tasks such as stocking, packaging, and other functions common in industrial settings. Astra is developed by Apptronik, a company that partnered with NASA to develop Apollo. It's a versatile humanoid designed to scale and apply to numerous applications. Number 2. Aeromine. The new bladeless wind energy unit invented by Aeromine has become a game-changing technology for rooftop renewable energy at a lower or the same cost, according to the manufacturer. The technology generates up to 50% more power than other sustainable energy options. Unlike the noisy and virtually intrusive wind turbines that rely on rotating rotor blades, which are prone to maintenance issues and can harm or kill birds, Aeromine's system is motionless. The system leverages aerodynamics similar to airfoils on a race car to capture and amplify each building's airflow. Requiring just 10% of the roof space needed by solar panels, the stationary, silent, and durable Aeromine system generates around-the-clock energy in any weather. The much smaller footprint means a single unit can also provide the same amount of power as up to 16 solar panels. Number 3. Unicat. The Unicat. In '95 is a true marvel of engineering and design, capable of traversing even the most challenging of terrains with ease and grace. With its sleek, streamlined exterior and rugged off-road tires, the vehicle cuts an impressive figure as it moves through the landscape. But it's not just its look that makes it a surprising invention, it's also loaded with a cutting-edge feature that makes it a dream to drive. The spacious interior is equipped with L-shaped seating units for 6-7 persons, a swiveling, foldable, and electrically lowered dining table, and a 46 inches full HD TV housed in a TV K9 with space for a music system. There is also a PlayStation 3 in there with surveillance cameras and full HD cameras in the cab with internet access, just basically everything that makes up a comfortable home. There is also a master bedroom, a guest bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a storage room, all equipped with cutting-edge features. A water-cooled Fisher Panda diesel generator with a 4-cylinder diesel engine is on board for 24-hour power input. The N95 also features a water supply with 1,000 liters of freeze-proof drinking water tanks and many more water supply options. And when it comes to performance, the IN95 doesn't disappoint. It boasted a TGA 88 with a load capacity of 41 tons and 480 horsepower. Meanwhile, it doesn't weigh 41 tons, its total weight is 22 tons, and it stands on 16-inch tires. It has 2 chambered fuel tanks with a capacity of 1,150 liters. Its advanced navigation and communication systems ensure that you always know where you're going and can stay in touch with the outside world no matter where your adventures take you. It's more like a home than a vehicle. Number 4. Ember-S Guard Rooftop Sprinklersystem. Many buildings are burned from direct contact with fire, or most often from embers that are blown ahead of the main fire and fall on the roofs of buildings, sometimes far away from the fire. You can save yourself from this type of disaster by getting the Ember-S Guard is a gadget designed to wet the rooftop of a building and part of the surrounding ground to help prevent ignition of the building. It's made from solid metal plates, galvanized steel, brass fittings, and brass impulse sprinklers, giving it the durability feature. The powder-coated finish is electrostatically applied over galvanized steel, which protects against corrosion and provides a proper base and adhesion for a durable and smooth powder-coated finish. This surface is 3 times more resistant to humidity and salt spray compared to solvent-based painted finishes, and it is highly resistant to stains, scratching, and scruffing. It's a multi-purpose tool, as it can also be used for irrigation on gardens or lawns, as well as cooling your roof or providing water fun entertainment for children on a hot summer day. This gadget is sold for the price of $209. Number 5. The Jet Shark. The Jet Shark is a brand new semi-submersible boat designed to provide the unique experience of diving below the water's surface in a much roomier, more user-friendly watercraft. It featured a spacious, air-conditioned cockpit fitted with 4 cushioned seats and twin piloting controls in the front seat. The 2 large gull-wing doors can be left open or locked, using a lever by the pilot's seat for short diving down to 6 feet underwater. The Jet Shark offers a panoramic view through this door. Performance is important, and a Kodiak Marine powers the Jet Shark with the ability to tilt aggressively to each side and hit 43 knots or around 50 miles per hour on the surface and 17 knots or 20 miles per hour below the waves. It also features 2 small fins amidship and another pair at the rear that together enable it to glide gently across the seas without flipping over. In terms of infotainment, it sports a snorkel-like airfoil with a camera at the center that gives the pilot a view of everything on the surface while underwater, thereby preventing any collisions with other vessels or swimmers. This boat is set to make you feel like a great white shark. But it is for people with a fat bank balance, as the Jet Shark costs between $80,000 and $100,000. Number 6. Carbon Robotics Laserweeder. This device is a game changer for farmers who are looking for an efficient and sustainable way to manage weeds without the use of harmful chemicals or manual labor. The Laserweeder is a self-driving 80-inch wide machine that is equipped with a row of high-powered CO2 lasers that are targeted and controlled by high-resolution cameras. The cameras scan the field as the machine moves and identify weeds in real time, and then it uses its powerful laser to precisely zap the weeds and kill them at the root. The Laserweeder kills about 88% of weeds and hits about 1% of crops. With so much precision, the Laserweeder can cover 15 to 20 acres per day while running at about 5 miles per hour on a 75-gallon diesel fuel tank. The Laserweeder's cost is comparable to that of a mid-size tractor, which is between $25,000 and $50,000. Number 7. Solar Freezer. Imagine having access to cold storage in remote locations or during power outages. This is exactly what the Solar Freezer can provide. This freezer is a solar-powered one with power and an energy-saving mechanism. It has a capacity of 52 quarts, meaning it can hold 62 cans of 355 ml cola, 37 bottles of 500 ml water, or 18 bottles of 750 ml red wine, which fully meets the needs of RV and truck drivers, boat owners, and campers to store seafood, snacks, meat, and beverages. The RV refrigerator can not only be controlled manually, but also remotely managed via the free Bluetooth app, because it is equipped with a digital smart control panel with electronic temperature control. It also comes with an all-terrain wheel, making it suitable to go anywhere. It also sports several other features, such as a bottle opener holder, accessory pouches to store small items, and tie-down straps to transport extra gear. The stretchable handles and 6 off-road wheels increase its portability. Interestingly, it can also be powered by a 193-watt removable lithium-ion battery that is also rechargeable and can run for 10 hours when fully charged. You can purchase the battery separately to keep items cool, even when you turn off the power during your journey. Number 8. Vuzix M400. The Vuzix M400 is a powerful wearable smart glass and the most ergonomically versatile head-worn AR workplace tool on the market. Designed for all-day comfort, the M400 comes equipped with the Snapdragon XR1 platform to power a huge variety of enterprise applications. Flexible mounting options make them compatible with almost any PPE, and the 2-meter drop test and IP67 rating mean the device is also waterproof and ruggedized for even the roughest jobs. The M400 takes full advantage of Vuzix's leading optics with an energy-efficient, ultra-bright OLED display system. Allowing users to share their views in superior detail, the M400 also features a 4K video streaming autofocus camera. With noise-canceling microphones, a wide field of view, and voice inputs, critical data is shared where it's needed while keeping the user's hands free and head up. It also features swappable hot batteries, which allow you to replace the battery without shutting down, allowing workers to finish their work without interruption. The internal battery on Vuzix devices makes this possible, which means zero downtime for users. It also comes with a USB charging cable. The Vuzix M400 is sold for $1,799. And that's a wrap on the 8 most surprising inventions of the year. Which do you find most enthralling? Let's know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Also feel free to like our video, subscribe to this channel, and flip the notification bell on for more videos like this.